Hi guys, so this video is going to be a brush set review, and the brush set that I'll be reviewing today is the POMIBYLRIC brushes. So this brush set has 5 face brushes and 6 eye brushes. Now the eye brushes consist of a tapered blending brush, which is perfect for going right in the crease. You can use it to actually dust eyeshadow as well on your eyelid. You can even use it to just tap on your brow bone. So this is the so this is the crease brush. Then we have a smaller brush, a more tapered brush. It comes to a point. And this brush, I chose this one specifically for going in my happy area, as well as going on my lash line and going into little crevices right in here when I want a more defined, smoked out, like deepened look. So this brush will get into all these little fine areas of your face, of your eyes, face, wherever you want to use it. Then we of course have the angle brush, which you guys know I'm a fan of the angle brush, especially for doing your brows. This lighting though, but it wants to the curtain. Yeah, so I'm a fan of this brush, especially for when I want to do my brows. This is the only thing I use this brush for, just to do my brows, to get in my concealer or my foundation, to get my brows nice and structured. I don't know why I'm so nervous reviewing this brush set. It's mine, I don't know. Then we have this white goat hair brush, guys. I have 2 favorite eye brushes. Brush, I love it for going on my lid, for turning it on the side and going in my crease, for going on my brow bone, for going in my happy area. This brush is the all over brush. This brush right here, love this brush. Then we have the big boy. So I classified this as an eye brush, even though I use it to go down the sides of my nose, but I primarily love using it for going on my brow bone. And I'm using this on my brow bone, it's just like one step, because it's so big, it covers my brow bone area really nicely, as well as my lid as well. It covers the area really nice. So when you want a wash of color, or just like one color, or just one color, this brush will get it done for ya. This brush, these 2 brushes are hands down my favorite eye brushes. Then we have my spoolie. You guys know I had to do my first set with a spoolie. So yeah, so this is a spoolie, and you know, it's self-explanatory. I can use it to dust eyeshadow to my lashes, which I do sometimes, but primarily I use it for my brows. So let's move on to the face brushes, and let me just first mention the flat top. This is called the Laying Low flat top brush, and this brush is, and as a matter of fact, this entire brush set is limited edition. After these are sold out, I'm sorry, but I will not be carrying these back. But I really want to thank those of you who have supported us for, I'm going to say that for the end of the video, but it's limited edition. This entire brush set is limited edition, and the Laying Low flat top brush is it. You guys know I love a good flat top, yeah. So I love this brush for powders, creams. I love this brush for powders, I love it for creams, I love it for liquids. I love this brush. It's an all over face. It can go right on the eyes for your highlight. It can go all over your face for your powder. This flat top brush is it, and it's sold separately on the site, and it is also, I think I still have the special going on where you can purchase this entire set for the price of the actual 10-piece set. So the 10-piece set is $49.85, and the flat top brush is $12.85. So I'm selling all the brushes for $49.85, including the flat top brush. So you get the flat top brush for free. So this is yours for free. You don't have to pay for it. I'm going to give it to you. That's a special. I think I still have it going on now. If I do, I'll annotate here and, you know, link in the description bar below. Then we have this fluffy angle brush, which is what I use to set my powder. So it's also used to set my powder. I either use this or the flat top brush for my creams. I use a flat top brush for my creams and powders, because when I wash them I interchange. But I definitely, I use a flat top brush definitely for my creams, for my foundation stuff, like my creams and my liquids and stuff. And I use this one for my powders. I use this one to set my highlight and also to set my all over face. And this is like an angled brush, as you can see right there. Then we have, you see how it kind of come out right there, so it come out right here. It was in my bag and it smells so So this angle brush, I use it to highlight, I use it to low light, and that's all I use it for, because it's an angle brush. But of course you can use it to bronze, you can use it for whatever you want to use it for, but this is what I use it for, to do my low lighting and also to do my highlighting. Yeah, so yeah, that's the angle brush. Then we have this nice big fluffy brush which I use for blush as well as highlight. This brush is just, and then you can use this for your all over face powder as well. If you just want you don't want a lot of foundation, if you just want like powder just all over your face and you just go through the door, then this brush is ideal. It has that kind of rounded look, but then it's big enough to cover, look at that, your entire face without depositing too much product, so you have control over it. Then this one is what I like to call my little beauty blender. I mean, don't mind the shape because I wash it. Let me just there ish. This is what I call my beauty blender. This bad boy here, whenever I put my highlight, this little baby, it blends it out effortlessly. And I link the video that I use these brush sets in. I link some videos in the description bar below so you can go and watch them and see for yourself what my brushes do, bruh. So yeah, so this one I also use it to highlight and also to low light. Now brushes are versatile. You can use brushes for whatever you want to use it for. It just really completely depends on you. Now what I love about my brush set specifically is just the thought that went behind me creating these brushes. Somebody asked if I made them myself, and I was almost rude, but I did not create them myself, you guys. I just put them together, but I did not go and get like the materials for like the ferrule and the handle and the bristles and stuff. I didn't. I just put the set together. So with this set, what I love about it is how versatile it is. And even you can just pick 1 or 2 brushes out of it and you can still have a full set. Let me show you what I mean. So these 5, do I need so much? No. So these 5 brushes are enough for you if you want to just throw some brushes in your bag. I know you want your bag to look cute with like rose gold brushes from POMIBYLRIC. This brush can be used for your, and this is crazy, but this is what I do, yeah? So whenever I'm carrying these 5 around, I use this for my creams as well as my powders, because when I come home I wash it. So I put on my cream, I wipe it out, and then I put on my powders. If you want to do that, you can. That's completely up to you. Or you can use it to do your creams or liquids, or cream liquid, and there's another texture, I don't know. You can use it to your foundation and then can use this to your powder. That's completely up to you, but I use this for foundation and powder. Then I use this to low light if I want to, or definitely highlight, because I love highlighting. I love the glow that it gives me. So definitely, yeah, for the highlight. And then these 3 brushes, that's all you need. I love using my spoolie and of course my angle brush and this dome brush that we have right here. So this dome brush can go in the crease, as I said, it can go right on your brow bone to set your brow bone color. It can go in a happy area, it can go on it because of how on your lash line, it can go on your lid because of how nicely tapered it is. This brush is it. And I love the fact that I chose like a dual fiber brush. The only thing is to see the dye kind of running in the black a little bit. That's the only drawback. That's the only drawback. But yeah, so that's my brush set, you guys. That's my brush set, my 10-piece brush set. And I think I still have the special going on now where you get the flat top brush for free when you purchase. But my overall view of these brushes is just, they're absolutely amazing. And I'm just saying that because they're mine. I'm saying that because I love brushes, which is why I started my brush line, and I love lashes. The 2 things I love most, that's what I started out with. I love my lashes and I love my brushes, and that's why I wanted to start with my brush line and my lash line, because I'm doing both of them simultaneously. Now I want to give a little testimony here. I started this company on faith and a prayer. I had no investors. I wanted to, you know, I even wrote some people for investing, and it just, you know, they didn't get back to me in time, and I didn't want to say, hey, remember me, because honestly I was a little bit afraid. I never want nobody to say I beg them the money, even though these were family members. I was asking business family members. I don't know, I don't know if I explain, I just feel kind of weird about it. But it started, it's it's here, and I know it's only God. It is only God. And in everything, Marlene reminding me, and I'm reminding myself, and my mom reminding me, tithe, 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 because that's the backbone of my company right now, just to tithe. Because the Bible says the same way how you sow into men, that's, excuse me, how God will sow unto you. And you know, the process, the principle of sowing and reaping is that when you sow, you reap more than what you sow. So if you sow one mango, if you plant one mango seed, you're not gonna just have one mango, you're gonna have a tree that will bear for time and time and time and time and time again. So that's my principle. That's the basis of me starting POMIBYLRIC, and that's what I want to do for POMIBYLRIC. Just tithe, give as much as I can, tithe as much as I can, because I believe that that will cause the breakthrough for me. You know what I mean? Because I'm just this girl from Jamaica, and y'all know I have my self-esteem issues, and I don't feel like I'm entitled to certain things. But God, through everything that I've been through, and just through me not being the typical Christian, He's saying, listen, you're worth it. And me like that about him. Me like the fact that God look on your heart and him not pray or you stay. My one Christian, my tongue bore, my nose bore, I wear fazer, I wear nails. What else? I'm just not your typical, more pants, more tights. I'm just not a typical Christian. I'm not. And a lot of people look at me and say, boy, you know, go up, shall go to heaven. But God looks at the heart. And that's what you need to remember, that He looks at the heart. And POMIBYLRIC has pops. POMIBYLRIC has always been in my heart. It's been in my heart since I was going to the face place. It has been in my heart. Always been in my heart. And I'm just glad that it started, and I'm floored by your support. I'm floored by your support. I think I have 33 of the Dipped in Elegance left, and I think about 20 something flat top brushes left, and I think I have 20 something. So in all I have about 70 left in stock for you guys to purchase, and it's pre-order that we're doing. I won't be shipping out. We won't be shipping out. We won't be shipping until in August, so keep that in mind. If you join the newsletter, you'll get step by step. If there are any delays, if we're having giveaways, because I'm planning a giveaway. We'll have new things coming on the horizon, and I won't be sharing that with anybody else but my newsletter peeps. So shout out to my newsletter crew, big up on the silent. And yeah, these brushes are $49.89, and they're completely worth it. They're worth it. I mean, I've had brush sets that are more expensive with less brushes. I've had brush set with the same price and less brushes. This brush set is it's all you ever need. It's just a complete set, you know what I mean, in my eyes. This brush set is all you'll ever need in my eyes. I chose these brushes specifically because I thought that they would do well with whatever task you put in front of them. Like this one, it can go on the side of your nose. It cannot even be, you know, here if you want to. You can, you know, I mean, how me choosing these brushes, I chose them with my heart, and I chose them as a professional, and I chose them wanting people who have never picked up a brush before to be able to use them and not be confused. So I don't want to talk anymore. I feel like I'm rambling, but thank you for your support. They're $49.85 on the website, and as I say, if I'm doing anything now, if I still having this special, then it'll be in the video and as well as in the description bar below. So that's it. Don't forget to follow us on our social networks. Everything is POMIBYLRIC, and I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Share this video. Buy one for your friend, buy one for your auntie, for your uncle. Just buy it. So don't make us sell out and beer things. Yeah. Big up all of my Caribbean girls, them another place. Yeah, we say awesome. I have even some new lashes coming in. I have some other brushes I'm looking at. I want to do. Guys, this is only the beginning, bruh. And everything I'll be sharing on the newsletter, because you know I have some samples coming in that I'll be sharing with the newsletter, and I just want us to be like a family over there. So a little bit of transparency, I know I love that on my newsletter, but a lot of things I can't say because of I'm running a company, you know, I'm a party shop. But yeah, so that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye guys.